Hi, this is Pam from Tucson Marketing Tools, and I want to show you how to use Adobe Illustrator to set up a business card template. We're going to build a 3.5 by 2 horizontal template, business card template. So the first thing you're going to do is go to File, New, and we're going to set up the width. So the width is 3.5 inches wide, and the height is 2 inches. Now we want to set in a bleed, and a bleed is when we take the ink edge to edge. So we're going to build in a 1/4 or an 1/8 of an inch bleed, which is 0.125, and we want that on all edges. And then the last thing we're going to do in this setup window is we're going to drop down here and we're going to choose CMYK. CMYK is the method of color that we're going to use, which stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. K stands for black. And that's what inks the printing press will use, the full color printing press. Click on OK. Alright, there's our template. I want to view that so that it will fit in the screen. I'm going to bump that up a tad. Okay, there we go. Now I want you to notice there's a red line, a black line. The red line is where the ink will bleed out to. The black line indicates the actual size of the card, so that's where we're going to cut. Now, when we build text, I want to show you how to, we're going to build a safety margin so you don't accidentally run your text too close to the cut line and it get cut off. So we're going to add 1/8 of an inch between the cut line and where the text ends. And I'm going to go to my rectangle tool, click on my screen, and I'm going to make it 1/8 of an inch less than the size of the card. So that would be 3.25 by 1 3/4. Okay, there's my box. Now I want to get that right in the center of that whole layout. And to do that, I'm going to go up to View. I'm going to go to Window, choose Align, and my Align window is already open over here. And I want to make sure that I align to the artboard. So in this little drop down here, I'm going to click Align to Artboard, and then I'm going to align it horizontally, and then I'm going to align it vertically, centered vertically and centered horizontally. Now that box is centered. If I just left it like that, it would actually print black on the card because it's in the print area. But I want to change that to a guide versus something that prints. So I'm going to go up to View, choose Guides, Make Guides. And now it's a guideline just for my eyes only. It will not show up when it prints. Thanks for your time, and stay tuned for video 2 on how to save your business card as a PDF with crops and bleeds. And also we're going to show you how to outline your text, or take your text and convert it to outlines. Stay tuned for video 2.